First, we start by checking if the UV light will penetrate the plastic. You can do this by shining the UV torch through the plastic and onto a piece of paper. If the light penetrates, we can move on to the next step. It is very important that you do not use UV glues when moisture is involved, as it will degrade the joint over time, as well as using the right torch for the glue. Our glue requires a 365 nanometer UVA light, which is non-harmful to skin. Glasses are recommended, however. We will start with our thin UV glue, UV1035. It has similar techniques to the thin solvent glues, where you flood the joint. Here you see me moving it around to get it to flow through all the cracks. Don't be alarmed if you use too much, just wipe it off. When the joint is ready, hit it with the UV light for a few seconds and that's it, fully cured and crystal clear. Next we use our thicker product, UV2046, which is used for gap filling. We also have a thicker product, UV3232, but it uses the same technique as UV2046. UV3232 just has a bit more gap filling capacity as it is much thicker and it is also a little slower to use. We use a similar technique here as the thick solvent glues. UV glue on the face that stays down, flip the other face up and clean any excess. Now you hit it with the UV light that is now fully cured and crystal clear. See here, crystal clear joint and is super easy to do. This UV glue does plastic to plastic, however we have another 3 glues that do glass as well. A thin version, medium viscosity and thick viscosity. They are using the same techniques as the plastic glues relative to their thickness.